So you just bought a new ATV and you're looking to upgrade to fit your needs on what you do with your four-wheeler. Let me take you through my Yamaha Grizzly and show you all the upgrades and the reason why I did them. Hi, I'm Hunter. Welcome to ATV Lifestyle. Let's take a deep dive into the Yamaha Grizzly here. One of the first things I always recommend people doing on their four-wheeler, doesn't matter the brand, this goes anywhere, is a winch. I typically like to do it on a four-wheeler, do a 3,500 pound winch. The reason I say this should be your first mod is it doesn't matter if you're a mud rider, trail riding, using it for hunting, using it for snow plowing. A winch is one of the most useful tools for an ATV in my eyes. The second thing I did after a winch is I put a plow on it. I don't have the plow on, it's not quite winter, it'll be going on shortly. An ATV can be a great, useful tool to help you get your job done. It takes me probably 15-20 minutes to plow my driveway versus taking a half hour, 45 minutes to shovel it. Great tool. Next thing I did is hand guards. Now, this might not be everyone's cup of tea. I like the hand guards, kind of protect your hands, keep some of the wind off them. They definitely help out. I went with Power Mad, and I did find a color that was close to the gray, but it's nice. They protect your hands, keep your hands safe from sticks, debris flying up off the ground. The next thing I did was a shifter. Now, this was meant originally to be more of just a looks thing. I have found that it actually makes shifting way easier because it lifts up and it gives me something a little more to hold on to. It's kind of nice when plowing. I know it's there to hold on to. If you're looking for one of these cool shifters for your Grizzly, make sure you hit up A&D Clutching. Andrew Deal does an awesome job with everything he does, which will bring up a future mod we have coming as well. Then from there, we went to the light bar. A couple reasons behind the light bar. Yamaha's lights are great. I like the light bar though for plowing, because sometimes when you're picking your plow up, the lights can block your plow and kind of block the vision of the lighting at night. And typically, wintertime, it's dark when you're plowing. So I put a light bar up high, gives me a lot of light, definitely helps out a lot. Next, we have the rad relocate wheel right up top. Now, this isn't necessarily something for everyone, but if you are riding in the mud, it's definitely something I'd recommend. Get your radiator up high. As you can see, if you look down in here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, my radiator's clean. I get this thing muddy all the time, but having the radiator up top, I'm able to keep this radiator way cleaner than if it was down there. It's easier to wash, and it looks good. I went down to Rubber Down Customs for this. The reason I went through them is they were able to make me this custom shield here that has my name, ATV Lifestyle, in it. Next, we come up to the snorkels. Another one that if you're trail riding or using it for hunting and stuff like that, I don't recommend. But if you're going deep in the water, mud, stuff like that, definitely a good idea. Keeps your intake, everything up high. It makes it so you can go through deep water without sucking water in. Now we're gonna come down to tires. Now, tires is another one. Most manufacturers, I recommend throwing a set of tires on to fit your needs. Kind of the tires they put on the ATVs are a good tire, but they're not always best for what you're using it for. Now, sometimes Can-Am players can be actually pretty good about putting pretty decent tire on all around. I went with the ITP Mega Mayhems because they're light and they have a good tread and they do good in the type of mud I ride, which is the thicker clay. I know some of the sandy stuff and stuff, they can dig a little bit too fast, but for my riding, they do an amazing job and they do get the job done very well. Now we're going to come down around to the back. And on the back, this is a little one, and this isn't for everybody again either. It's kind of one of those weak spots on the Yamahas. It's a rear diff brace, helps keep the diff stiff and keeps it from moving around. One of the last things is the RJWC exhaust. Now, if you guys follow along or watch any of my videos, I only run RJWC exhaust. I believe that they build one of the best products, and I love their exhaust. They do high quality, sounds good. It's aluminum, so it's lightweight, looks good, cleans up good, sounds good as well. Last thing we got that I remember is I do have a fuel optimizer on here. I do need to do a better job keeping it clean. I wouldn't say every ATV, if you do an exhaust, you definitely need to do a fuel optimizer or tune. Really not too many people out there have the tuning capability on the Yamahas. I'd rather go with a custom tune over a fuel optimizer personally. I just don't really have that option right now. Other than that, I do have clutching coming. That's one of those mud things again. Another thing, guys, the giveaway is starting. That being said, from a month. You have a month from today to comment down below what kind of ATV you ride or what your favorite brand is. If you don't have an ATV or side-by-side and you're looking to get one, just comment an ATV brand below, and that's how you enter. It's going to end a month from today. I will do the drawing. The winner is going to get a $250 gift card to Super ATV or Rocky Mountain ATV, a custom paracord tow strap, and a WaySafe D-ring shackle hitch. I'll put pictures of them up above so you kind of get an idea what they are. So make sure you comment below on your favorite ATV or what kind of ATV or side-by-side you ride. Get out and ride and have a great day.
Yes, that was our children.